Good morning, everyone. So today we have decided to hop in our car to go down from Fort Worth to Ennis, Texas, which is famous for its Blue Bonnet. And happy Easter, by the way. We're going to try and get this video out today, so hopefully we can do that. But Ennis, Texas is North Texas's sort of mecca for blue bonnets. And the blue bonnet is the Texas state flower.
They're literally all over right now.
And you can probably see them as you drive by. But so we're making a short hour and 10-minute drive, and then we're going to do. We downloaded the Ennis Yall App, and we're going to explore the Blue Bonnet Trails of Ennis, Texas. So we're pretty excited. Man, we just can't wait to show you. We're going to jump straight to the footage. Hopefully you enjoy this. We may not have a lot of commentary in this video, but we'll let you guys know. You can take a look at the footage and see if this is something you actually want to do with us, okay?
Let's go find some flowers. And then, like that. And then flowers right here. So we are here at our first stop for our Blue Bonnet Trail tour, and we're at the Blue Bonnet Park, and there's a beautiful lake. There's little gazebos everywhere, and not only are there blue bonnets, but there's 2 or 3 other flowers that are here as well, and they are gorgeous. So we're on the Kachina Prairie Trail, and there's a couple of patches of bluebonnets and a few others, but we didn't bring our drone with us initially, but we peeked through a fence. This is what we see. We think we might need to go back and get the drone, so let's do that.
So we're currently at Kachina Park, and if you're ever in Texas in the April time frame, this is a heck of a just a get out, drive around, and explore kind of trip. We've only made it 2 stops, and it's been worth the drive. So we're gonna keep on exploring. We're gonna do this what looks like 1/8 mile loop, and then see our next spot.
Sorry, I got distracted. Stop is at the Sugar Ridge Ranch. Now, that didn't mean a lot to us initially, just because we're not from the area, but I'll show you why it's a big deal.
It's just huge fields everywhere that they're nice enough to allow people to walk. They just actually they have signs up saying please just don't trample our flowers. Awesome, check it out. notice that I am alone in the car. Amanda squealed, squeaked, hopped out and said, "Do you need anything?" And then she went to look at these horses. Hang on. Well, we just finished up with our Blue Bonnet Trails tour. It took us all in total about 3 hours. It was a good experience, and it was beautiful. There were at times as we drove through the field, as we drove the route, that we were basically just driving through neighborhoods. But the people of Ennis do a great job cultivating the blue bonnets. I can only imagine when it's in full bloom. They say we're a week early right now. So bring camera equipment, bring clothes if you want to take good family photos. It's a great time for that. And just have fun. We got out. There were places to stop. Some places had signs like, "Hey, please don't trespass." Very respectful. But it was a great day, like worth the hour and 10-minute drive to go drive another 2 hours on these like 40 miles of trail of the route. And yeah, so we're on our way back home. Once again, happy Easter, everybody. Hopefully you're enjoying time with your family, and we'll see you guys on the road.